Welcome to the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Wednesday morning, June 26, 2024, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of legal news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Jenner Law joins the fight against sex trafficking. Jenner Law is taking a stand against sex trafficking, offering survivors the legal support they need to reclaim their lives. Recently, the firm filed a lawsuit against Choice Hotels for their alleged role in facilitating sex trafficking. The lawsuit is based on federal laws that hold defendants accountable for these crimes. Jenner Law aims to combat the involvement of commercial businesses in sex trafficking, disrupting the systems that profit from human exploitation. The firm also supports the Maryland Human Trafficking Task Force, dedicated to eradicating trafficking through prevention, protection, prosecution, and partnerships. By educating themselves and reporting suspicious activities, citizens can contribute to the fight against this issue. Jenner Law is committed to justice and survivor support, ensuring victims have access to comprehensive legal services and holding responsible parties accountable.
Ink Elves Ltd. launches new service providing blog posts to law firms in the U.S. and the U.K. Ink Elves Ltd., a white-label writing agency based in the U.K., has launched a new website called We Write Law Blogs to provide custom blog writing services for lawyers in the U.S. and the U.K. The company aims to help law firms and attorneys expand their online presence by offering high-quality, engaging blog content. Owner Laura Jin stated that many law firms are not maximizing their websites, with 70% failing to keep their blogs regularly updated. We Write Law Blogs offers various packages, from one-off posts to full blog management services, tailored specifically to the legal industry. The company also provides editing and ongoing maintenance services, promising reliable writers and competitive pricing. Interested law firms can receive a free 1,000-word blog post by contacting We Write Law Blogs today.
Peck Law Corporation, the leading advocates for nursing home abuse victims in the Coachella Valley. Peck Law Corporation, the leading advocates for nursing home abuse victims in the Coachella Valley, is committed to protecting the elderly from neglect and abuse. With years of experience and a reputation for unwavering dedication to justice, their team of experienced attorneys specializes in uncovering and addressing various forms of nursing home abuse. Operating on a contingency basis, they ensure that justice is accessible to all. If you or a loved one in Coachella Valley has experienced nursing home abuse, do not hesitate to contact Peck Law Corporation. Their dedicated attorneys are ready to provide the legal assistance needed to bring justice to those who have suffered.
American Paper Plate Coalition welcomes preliminary duties on imports from China and Vietnam. The U.S. Department of Commerce has announced preliminary duties on paper plate imports from China and Vietnam, with up to 313.114% on Chinese imports and up to 237.65% on Vietnamese imports. The American Paper Plate Coalition, representing major U.S. paper plate producers, applauds this decision. President William P. Biggins, Jr., stated that the subsidies from China and Vietnam have harmed American producers and employees. The Commerce Department's actions aim to restore fair competition. The APPC filed petitions in January, leading to ongoing investigations. Final determinations are expected in November 2024. President Robert Epstein of AJM Packaging Corporation appreciates the Commerce Department's efforts. For more information, visit the American Paper Plate Coalition's website.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.